Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Back to my channel, back to my channel, back to my channel, back to my channel. So, as I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw this. Beautiful. It's a reverse cut crease with some glitter. I've never tried a reverse cut crease ever. I'm barely good at regular cut creases, but you know, why not challenge myself? So I'm gonna do my own version of this. I was gonna do the exact version, but I was thinking of more of a brownish, goldish moment, you know, going on. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Now on to the video. So I'm looking at the picture and I don't even know where to start. So I'm gonna go in with the concealer and try to stamp out the crease that I want for the top part of the eye. We are gonna be using the James Charles palette today. So after this, I'm gonna be setting the concealer with Tune using a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna dip into Punch Me with a very focused brush. And we're really gonna focus this in the inner corner of the eye. Using the same brush, we're gonna be using 10% off. And we're gonna place it right next to the lighter brown, slowly transitioning into the darker colors. The next transition color is gonna be No Beans. And you wanna make sure you blend for a seamless color change. The last color is gonna be Spooky, and we're gonna use that to finish off the tail. Now going in with the M506 brush, it's more of a fluffy brush. I'm really gonna go in and bring the colors just slightly down and blend them all together. Now we have to clean this up to make it look as cut as possible. Using the M224, we're just gonna take that concealer and bring it outwards. This is looking really good. I'm feeling this is probably not how they did it, but it works for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye. Hopefully it comes out just as good. But I shall be right back. We're gonna give some color under the eye using 10% off and No Beans. Yes, I know I look like a ghost, but please bear with me. Bronzer is coming my way. Now time for some sparkle. Here we're gonna take the primer and use it as glue, and then add some bronzy glitter to the top part of the crease, and then adding some on the bottom part of the eye. Topping it off with a white eye crayon in the waterline. Next step is lashes, and I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. Hello lashes! These are my new velour eyelashes. They look amazing and natural, but I am gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter and hit the cheekbones and the inner corners. For lips, we're gonna be using the Forever set from Kylie's Valentine's Day collection. And we are gonna use all three of them, so a quick line with a beautiful nude liquid lip. This nude color could probably go with any look. And we're gonna top it off with this gold glitter gloss, which makes your lips look scrumptious and beautiful. And there you guys have it. This is my version of a reverse cut crease. I did mellow it down quite a bit. I used a bunch of warm tone colors, and I think it came out pretty good for my first time doing this. So I'm pretty proud. This was a challenge. It is now 2:14 in the morning and I have class at 9 a.m. Yep. So I'm about to just wipe all this off and go to sleep. I'm tired. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment, everything. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. One more time. Okay, bye. This is the first time I wear velour eyelashes. These things are humongous. Holy moly. I could probably fly away with these.